Time for another update. So I've been tearing down these battery modules out of the Model 3 pack. Pretty simple, really. Just have to undo a bunch of screws and get all the bus bars disconnected. And you need to suck out all this coolant that gets trapped inside of here because it doesn't come out easily. So I basically just 3D printed this little adapter that goes onto the shop vac. That fits on there nice and tight, and then I sucked them all out. So got enough of it out that I think I can move them around now. And then what I've got set up here is some of these like cordless suction cups that have a little battery in them, and that motor starts the suction, and it really does a good job of keeping these things stuck to the batteries. I've lifted them out with these before. So basically I just hook up one on each end, got some straps to a little load leveler, goes on the engine hoist, then I just crank them up out of here. And it's a really neat system the way Tesla has these little clips in here that are holding in the batteries. So I'm gonna probably end up either trying to reuse these or make some just like them for myself for when I make my own case. So that's what we're doing next, getting the batteries out.
Okay, so I've got one module out, and now I'm just basically disconnecting everything I need to get the rest of these modules out. I will skip over this, get these modules out, and then move on to the battery pack. And so all the modules are out, there they are on the floor, and now just slice down the two sides of this battery pack case to reveal just the center section, because that's what I'm going to use to make my box to hold the batteries. Two batteries will fit perfectly side by side inside the frame rails here on the F100, and so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut out this battery box case and just leave the center. So I've got a side cut out. I probably went through 10, maybe 12 of those blades. It was just really difficult to cut through that. I don't know why, but it took a long time. But finally got through everything. The big hard section right there was the worst piece. So what I'm left with is just that excess garbage there, and now I've got one half done, got to finish the other half.